Introducing the AEG 8000 series washing machines. Protecting the fibers of your clothes. Wash after wash. In traditional washing machines, detergents and softeners are not fully diffused before reaching the clothes. AEG's patented ErcoMix technology is unique. Water is first pre-mixed with detergent and then with softener before it enters the drum, so that it's fully dissolved and activated. The dissolved mixture is evenly distributed, reaching, cleaning and protecting every thread, stitch and fiber. The results look fantastic. The Erco Power program is ideal for daily loads of up to 5 kilograms, washing in under an hour without compromising performance or sustainability. Using the plus steam option at the end of a washing cycle reduces creases by up to 30% for less ironing, less dry cleaning, and less wear and tear on fibers. The new AEG washing machines are available with a selection of accessories. The new AEG Premium Pedestal raises the washing machine to a convenient height for easier loading and unloading. It also provides an additional storage drawer for laundry essentials. The AEG Stacking Kit creates extra space in the laundry room. No fixing required. The washing machine care set contains 2 descalers, a deep cleaner and 2 washing bags to extend the appliance's life and keep it working like new. Powerfully gentle. For deeper fiber cleaning and softer results, the AEG 8000 series washing machines.
This particular model is equipped with a variety of programs and numerous options, ensuring perfectly clean wash results by creating unique mechanical actions pertaining to each wash cycle. Even though each wash program is uniquely designed for best results, you are able to adjust the temperature and the spin speed if you desire to do so. The programs include cottons, woolens, sports, and even a 15-minute quick wash. The cotton cycle can wash up to 9 kgs of clothing, which is perfect for linens, towels and large loads. The 15 or 30-minute quick wash is best suited for lighter loads, approximately 2 kilograms, or lighter soiled clothes that just need a quick freshen. This washing machine also has an Allergy Plus program that is best suited for high performance on hygiene, for those with sensitive skin, babies, or even suffer from allergies. This washing machine also has additional options which can be selected with your other programs. You even have the choice to wash more economically with the Eco Perfect option. It actually increases the efficiency of water and electricity when activated. Or if you're in a hurry, activate Speed Perfect. This will reduce your wash time by up to 50% on certain programs without compromising the wash results. I really like the Start Reload button on the Bosch washing machines. Simply activate it, and what it does is it pauses during the wash cycle, allowing you to reload any forgotten items. Once you've added that forgotten item, simply press the start button again and the wash cycle will start automatically.
Are you confident you're selecting the right wash setting for your clothes? Select the cycle you want to use. LG's exclusive AIDD weighs your laundry and detects the softness of your fabric. LG's exclusive AIDD automatically selects the optimized washing pattern for each fabric based on deep learning technology. You can wear your favorite clothes longer with 18% more fabric protection. Protect your favorite clothes with 18% more fabric care. LG AIDD.
Meet the AEG 6000 series washing machines that reduce wear and tear by protecting against overwashing, load after load. ProSense technology automatically tailors programs to optimize the treatment of every garment, protecting fabrics from unnecessary overwashing and reducing wear and tear, while also saving time, water, and energy. The Soft Plus option ensures softener reaches every part of the laundry, helping clothes feel softer, silkier, and smoother than ever before, while protecting fibers and prolonging the life of every garment. Many eco programs save energy. The Eco Time Save option also saves time. Simply select both options for an energy-efficient wash that is as quick as possible. The new AEG washing machines are available with a selection of accessories. The new AEG Premium Pedestal raises the washing machine to a convenient height for easier loading and unloading. It also provides an additional storage drawer for laundry essentials. The AEG Stacking Kit creates extra space in the laundry room. No fixing required. The washing machine care set contains 2 descalers, a deep cleaner, and 2 washing bags to extend the appliance's life and keep it working like new. Keeping clothes looking their best. Every wear, every wash. The AEG 6000 series washing machines.